Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate autopay bills to free up investing cash with Truebill. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by downloading the Truebill app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in or create an account if you haven't yet. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Bills section on the main menu. Tap on Bills to view all your current subscriptions and services. Identify the individual bills you'd like to set up for autopay. Select a bill that you want to automate. On the bill details page, look for the option labeled Autopay. Toggle the Autopay option to activate it. You may then be prompted to enter your preferred payment method. Provide the necessary payment information if you haven't already done so. Review the billing details such as amount and due date. After confirming everything is correct, save your settings. Repeat this process for any additional bills you want under Autopay. Return to the main dashboard to monitor your expenses. With Autopay activated, you can free up your time and focus on investing. Make sure to regularly check your bills and subscription services. This will help you stay informed about any changes or potential savings. That's it. You've successfully set up Autopay for your bills with Truebill. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.